Hey guys, welcome back to Olivegrey Avenue. Usually when I'm here, I'm gonna build something cool or create something new. But today we're fixing something. I don't know if you've ever had a drawer just straight up break, but the frame of our drawer broke off. I put it back because it was just sitting on the counter and we had guests. So I gotta fix it because I'm tired of this and not safe. So let's look at how we're gonna do that. I was really trying to avoid filming in here because it's such a mess. This isn't even half of it. But this is one of the things that we have to like get done. So I cut the sides and the fronts based on the current drawer measurement. Then all I did was run them through my table saw and create this slit. I always forget what they're called, but I made the slit. This is what the 1/4 inch plywood is going to sit in and be the bottom of the drawer. So we're gonna put it all together. So if we add a 1/4 inch, that's a 1/2 inch overall, that will work. So all we need to do is cut it the same size. This is on the inside, 30 1/4, so I need to cut it to 30 3/4. I should write that down. So our piece, our interior piece, is gonna be 30 3/4 by 20 1/2. Obviously, use your own measurements, but that's how I figured it out. See that tear out? That's from cutting, so you want to cut with the good side up so the tear out doesn't happen. I gotta assemble like a dry fit of this box to make sure it all fits. And then I gotta figure out how to get it in the actual drawer and make sure it fits in there. So. See if I built it right. This is the drawer front. I have to attach it to the drawer. I took it off. It has these holes here for where it needs to go, and then these middle ones are for the handle. But there's no way for me to see through. So what I'm gonna do, yes, toothpaste. I'm gonna take toothpaste. I'm gonna put it where the holes are, lay it on, take it off, not move it around, and the dots will show me exactly where I need to put the holes. This drawer has 2 coats of sealer on it. Now I can put the drawer face back on. Hopefully I can get it lined up okay. I have it drawn on this where it was before. So I'm just gonna line it up with these holes I drilled a little bit too big so that we have some adjustment room. This is a mess, and the last thing that I got was like a tension thing, and I think it broke the drawer. So I got these sweet pieces of like, it's not 1/4 inch, it's a little bit bigger, but these are like in the pre-cut wood aisle. These are 2 feet. I got some 3-foot ones. I think I got the exact right amount, but we're gonna build little dividers and make the drawer so much more functional and organized. So I drew my little sketch here. I like put all the forks and just all the things that I needed to go in here and started like measuring and all that stuff. Then I was like, how am I gonna make this make sense with the wood? So I figured it out. Here's my lovely kid's drawing. I figured it out. We're gonna do a big piece here, a long piece here, like a solid piece, and then solid pieces up and down, and then in the middle where I need a divider, we're gonna cut smaller pieces to go in the middle. I think that'll be the best structural plan and give us all the space we need. Each of these pieces are attached on either side. I kept the spacers with the space to make sure it fit perfectly. And so I'm going to take this spacer that I cut to be the right length and put these where I want them. I'm just gonna glue them in place because I can't get the nail gun in here. I kind of got excited and I put it in without turning on the camera, and it's a nice snug fit. I can get it out, but I'm not going to, so I'm just gonna show it to you in there. You ready for this? Oh, it's so good. I measured all of these to fit the knives because that's the biggest silverware I have. So it's spoons, forks, knives. I have a slot for straws. Baby utensils, like kids utensils, are going back here. I think I have like 3 extra that I haven't accounted for. This is for extra stuff like the wine opener and things like that. And then I have long bottle cleaners, and that'll be here.